Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to resolve VPN failures, particularly for remote workers or traveling staff who are unable to access corporate resources securely. These issues are often caused by expired VPN certificates or incorrect client setup. Step-by-step, fix VPN failures, expired certificates and misconfiguration, common symptoms, connection failed or authentication failed errors. VPN connects but cannot access internal resources. Prompt to update certificates. No internet access after VPN connection. Step 1. Identify the VPN type. Know what type of VPN the user is using. SSL VPN, for example, FortiClient, Cisco AnyConnect. IPSec VPN, for example, built-in Windows VPN. L2TP, PPTP, OpenVPN, WireGuard, etc. Ask the user or check documentation. Step 2. Check VPN certificate validity on the client device. Open the certificate store. On Windows, run certmgr.msc. On macOS, use keychain access, navigate to Personal, Certificates, or Trusted Root Certification Authorities. Look for the VPN-related certificate. Check. Expiration date issuer, should be trusted. Whether it's listed as untrusted or has a yellow-red warning, fix if expired. Contact IT admin to issue a new client certificate. Remove the old certificate and import the new one. Step 3. Verify client configuration. Double-check the following. Server address, IP is correct. Username, password, or MFA token is updated. Correct VPN protocol port is selected. Split tunneling settings, if required by organization. For GUI clients, ensure the VPN profile uses updated server info for built-in VPN. Go to Settings, Network, and Internet VPN. Advanced options. Edit the VPN profile and compare settings with IT documentation. Step 4. Update or reinstall VPN client software. Uninstall the current VPN client completely. Download the latest version from the official site or internal IT portal. Reinstall and reconfigure using the latest provided setup file or instructions. This also ensures latest certificate authorities, CA, are included, fixes bugs in outdated VPN versions. Step 5. Ensure network compatibility. Some hotel or public Wi-Fi networks block VPN protocols. Quick fixes. Switch to another network, for example, mobile hotspot. Use an alternate port or protocol. Some VPNs support fallback settings. Step 6. Check for multi-factor authentication issues. Some organizations enforce MFA for VPN access. Verify. The MFA app, for example, Microsoft Authenticator Duo, is installed. Push notifications or codes are working. Resync the time on the phone if time-based tokens aren't working. Re-register the device with the MFA system if necessary. Step 7. Clear DNS or routing conflicts. After connecting to VPN, open command prompt and type ipconfig/flushdns, then run ipconfig/registerdns. If internal resources still aren't reachable, check rootprint, Windows or netstat, NR, macOS, Linux. VPN client logs for split tunneling misconfigurations. Step 8. Test VPN access to internal resources. Try pinging internal hostnames or IPs accessing internal web apps, for example, intranet SharePoint, using NSLookup or tracert to trace routes to internal servers. Step 9. Escalate to IT with logs. If issues persist, collect VPN client logs, often found in program data, log folders, or via export options. Screenshot of certificate details. IPC config output. Send these to IT support for deeper analysis. Summary. Key fixes. Checklist. Issue. Fix expired certificate. Reissue and install the new certificate. Incorrect VPN setup. Verify server address, protocol, and credentials. Outdated client software. Uninstall and reinstall the latest version. Network blocking VPN. Use a different network or protocol, for example SSL, UDP versus TCP, MFA not working. Reconfigure app or device time sync, DNS routing issues, flush DNS, check split tunneling, verify internal routes.